Hello everyone. Welcome to Phone Farm Solutions. This channel was created to share clear, practical, and easy to understand knowledge about BoxPhoneFarm and scalable phone infrastructure used in real-world environments. At Phone Farm Solutions, we focus on explaining what phone farming really is, how BoxPhoneFarm systems are built, and how multiple devices can be managed efficiently through structured systems and remote access. Phone Farm Solutions is designed for beginners who are just starting to explore phone farming, as well as tech enthusiasts and professionals who want to understand how these systems work step by step and avoid common mistakes. On this channel, you will find tutorials, system breakdown, setup explanation, optimization tips, and real use cases related to BoxPhoneFarm and cloud-based phone solutions. The goal of Phone Farm Solutions is not to complicate things, but to help you learn faster, think clearer, and make better decisions when working with multiple phones at scale. If you are interested in BoxPhoneFarm, cloud phone, or remote phone management, make sure to subscribe to Phone Farm Solutions, turn on notifications, and leave your questions in the comments so we can create content that truly helps you. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Phone Farm Solutions.